Hey class, so part of PED 100 is making sure that we're participating in enough physical activity each and every single week. Given the fact that this is a 5-week online summer course, we want to make sure that we are tracking all of our physical activity on our own. A couple ways you can do it. We're going to do everything through MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal, you'll do your nutritional analysis through this as well. So we want to keep everything in one spot. MyFitnessPal does sync with several activity tracking apps, so feel free to take a look at that on your phone if you're an avid runner or something like that and want everything to kind of get tracked for you. But I just want to show you how this is going to work. If you don't use an activity tracker, then you would input the information as you'll see me do. If you're going to use an activity tracker, it should all sync automatically to your MyFitnessPal account, and then you would just click exercise and you would end up finding your exercise diary. So we'd come here, we're looking at Monday, April 9th. We can add some cardiovascular exercise. Let's add it. Let's put jog and see what pops up. Running, jogging, 5 miles per hour. It has several different speeds. Maybe you're not sure how fast you're running. You can kind of take a guesstimate as maybe how fast your mile was. Possibly, remember, we're looking for an hour of physical activity daily, 5 days a week. So, how long did it go for? We went for 60 minutes and we burned that many calories. We add the exercise and there it is. Maybe we did some strength training and we want to talk about the exercises, reps, and sets that we did. It does store all your previous exercises, so let's say we did squats now. Let's do front squats, arms crossed. Number of sets, 5 sets, 10 reps at 135 pounds. We add the exercise and it pops up right there. Now, when we go to submit our weekly activity log, your weekly activity log is going to include this printout that I'm about to show you. Again, you can scan it, you can download it and submit it, but don't forget you also have to answer the question related to the activity log to show some reflection on your weekly physical activity as well. So you'll click here on full report, and you can actually get your entire full report for the entire week. This is just one day, and then you can either screenshot all of this, you can somehow download it. I'd have to look at how I want to download it, or you can control print it, scan it. Really, it's going to be up to you. I think taking a screenshot of each and every single day, showing that you hit about an hour of physical activity would be perfect. So that's how you're going to get your weekly activity logs completed. Again, it allows us to track things given the fact that this is an online course. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email.